transaction fees. Pero ito, despite the rise of digital payments to 52.8% of retail transactions in 2023, several challenges may arise. Ito, of course, this is not without any issues, no?
Definitely.
Definitely. Ito, una, digital divide, uneven access to technology could exclude rural populations. Kasi ang daming areas dito na ano eh.
Yeah.
Na wala pang signal, wala
Yeah.
pang tawag dito, very low income yung neighborhood, di ba? Hindi sila, may mga probinsya pa rin na hindi sila maka-avoid ng smartphones.
Yung barya sa kanila, it matters a lot.
It
matters differently to them as to the people who are actually being addressed by that change. Yung coin light, it sounds to me like a dietary restriction. Ano yun?
Coin or parang parang version ng isang phone.
No, di ba? Coin light. Ay mo na pescatarian diet, mga ganyan-ganyan. Napaka-arte.
Parang Facebook na FB Lite, no?
Ano yan? FB Lite inspired, yeah.
Yung less data.
Kasi coin light, siguro yung mga...
Okay, focus natin kay Vernon.
Yung mga policy makers, parang they feel like ang bigat-bigat ng barya para sa kanila. Ayun siguro yung ginagawa nilang reference sa polisiya nilang ganyan. And digital divide, I believe it's parang some people, especially in rural areas, communities at the fringes, they even have yet to make sense. They even have yet to figure out how to fix their Wi-Fi connections.
Yun nga,
diba?
Yung pinaka-basic na requirement, no? To access these applications na need. No, like yung internet at meron pa nga wala silang signal eh, di ba? So paano sila makaka-connect magkakaroon ng data connection?
Oo. Tapos magbabayad ka ng bills mo, let's say, and then you hit send hoping it does not crash.
Tapos pa nag-crash kasi di mo alam kung pumasok na ba or ma-hold, di ba?
Tsaka sana alam mo yun, meron kang takot din eh. Let's say with other fintech applications that you have in your phone na baka ma-wipe out clean